nila guys, look, oh. Tingnan mo naman ang mga mukha nila. Only a mother could love. Yan, tingnan mo. Look at them. Yeah. Oh, where's the other one? So what is that? What is that? Hot dog. It's so obvious, right? It's hot dog. So guys, this is ano nga pangalan niya? Ano pangalan niya? Samson. Yeah. Samson. Samson. So this is ano, napakalaking aso. Ayan. Yeah, tingnan mo naman ang mukha niya, no? Yeah. Samson. Yeah. So today I'm here with my brother's house kasi nga yung anak niya is birthday, yung twins niya. So nagba-barbecue sila. Ayan. Yeah. Tumikim na nga ako. Ano nangyari doon sa barbecue niya? Ano nangyari dito?
Hindi namin gusto kasi niya uling eh.
Oh. Sino may gusto?
Si Wilbur. Siyempre, smoke.
Yeah.
Ay! Wilbur, oh, iniiwan, oo.
Ay,
Asan na?
Wala ba kayong papel?
God.
Yung tubig pala.
mo, ilagay mo sa gilid.
Hindi, okay na.
Samson. So ano ito, American Bully. Yeah, right? It's American Bully. So actually madami sila. Actually this is the only one, but there's three more American Bully inside the house, right? Four. So there are five, yeah. So yeah, this is Samson. Yeah, American Bully. So, anong tawag dito sa kanyang balahibo? What do you call the dayday, yung balahibo niya? Anong kulay nito? Brindle. Samson. Yeah. Napakalaki. Sobrang laki. Tingnan mo, halos kasing laki siya ng bisikleta doon. No? Yeah. So this is my sister-in-law. Her name is Rodella Iscasinas, but her nickname is Dayday. So, okay. Anong timpla mo dyan?
Ha?
Anong timpla?
Hindi ako nagtimpla nito. Si Wilbur.
Hagunot mamaya. So ito yung likod ng ito yung backyard nila. So yan, nilagay nila ng harang kasi nga meron silang American Bully na ang lalaki. So mga American Bullies pala na aso. So napakalaki nila. So they need to put something kasi nga para hindi sila lumabas kasi very hyper itong mga asong ito eh. So I will show it to you guys later kung sino yung mga sinasabi ko. Okay? Papasok tayo doon sa room ay sa loob ng bahay. And I'll show it to you. These are the bullies. Yeah, sa isa na ito. Hindi ko ayan, they're coming out. Yeah. Pero hindi ko man makita yung okay. There. So this is the mother actually, and this one is bata pa mga ito. Isang taon pa lang ata ito si ano pangalan nito, Bo? Lando. Yan si Lando. Yeah. Tapos meron pang dalawa sa itaas. Come on down so that you will be famous with my. Yeah, why not? Ay, my goodness. They are very strong and violent. So this is Erish. Erish, say hi. Hi. Yeah. Dalaga na sila, alalaki na nila. Yeah.
akong kumakain.
Tama, ba't pinalit niya sa atin? Nagbablog ka na naman dito.
Yeah. Yeah. Di ba yan masusunog kasi may apoy?
No, hindi. Basta balik-balik.
Basta balik-balik ka rin mo lang.
Yeah, agad-agad.
Ano, yan bang sikreto niyan?
Yeah.
Para yung mag-amoy,
Sampo-sampo.
parang amoy sunog siya. Ethan. So where are you? Where the school that you're going to attend now?
No,
Since you're gonna
I'm still attending St. Wilfred.
But how can you manage? Like you live in Scarborough.
I can take bus in like 1 hour.
Oh, you do it by yourself now? You can do it now? Ah.
I take bus and it takes like 1 hour and I'm always early.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Pero nandito po
I mean, you can take a bus now by yourself.
Huh?
You can manage to take a bus by yourself, or are you with somebody?
Nah.
How about Noah?
No, he takes it with mommy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wala ate na gano'n ko.
Okay lang yung mga business.
Yeah.
Yung, happy birthday. Let's sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday to birthday. Happy birthday to you. Check, check, check. Thank you. Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? No, no, she's not.
Uy, pero yung kanin.
She's 5. She's 5.
O, ito yung ice anak. Hoy, Glenn, bawal ang may pasok dito, ha?
Forensic na kayo.
Forensic na, habang maaga.
Thank you.
Ay, hindi na ako makakain kasi wala akong ngipin eh. Yung part ko kay Kenneth na lang.
Sino natin? Thank you.
Baby is pa... Ay! Grab the, as papa to the, serving spoon.
So ito yung palabo.
No, spaghetti to.
Ito pala yung palabo.
Tito ko pala.
Yeah.
Tas
I
ano?
met him.
Claire, paano nga yung mga kap? Ito ah. Ito. Kasi malalagyan.
Masyado
Ano
namang
naman yan?
pinuno yung ano.
Oh.
Yung ano to. Yeah.
Hugas na kapag.
Barbecue, tinakdakan.
Pag-pray mo na, Wilhelm. Oh, sabay na ipag-pray ko na yan lahat. Yung
Okay.
mga food kanina.
You go
Happy
with Papa.
birthday.
You go with your dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, beside.
Yeah. Sing na! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Yung papag
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow.
Ayan, blow.
Both of you. So, together. Oh, may nakaligtas.
Thank you!
Ariel! Wait. Okay.
Bro, parang robot.
Yes, thank you.
Papa mo.
Thank you.